so vain about that hair? How bad can he be? Oh.
That does it! Nobody else sees me like this.
Okay, I'm sorry. Wait, I can fix it.
Oh, yeah? Like how? Ow! Not so tight.
All clear. Come on, your hair looks fine.
You kidding? I look like I should be yodeling in the Alps.
Hey! Ow, that hurt! Oh, hi, Sabrina. That's a weird way to read.
You think? My hair looks awful, and I don't want you to see it.
Come on, let me see. Aw, I bet it's not that bad. See? You look great. Anyway, you shouldn't obsess about your looks. I think vanity is a sin or something.
I really look okay?
Yeah, you look just like my old Cocker Spaniel. I loved her. Ow! Did I say something wrong?
Sabrina, you know the dress code. No hats in class. I know you heard me, Sabrina. No hats in class.
Is someone wearing a hat?
Oh.
Let's try this formula next.
Yeah, that last one smelled like a funeral home.
I told you, too much formaldehyde. Hey, making shampoo is an art, not a science.
Ouch!
Should look nice with your yellow shirt.
Oh!
Go fetch, you pathetic zombies. Get a life.
So what's the deal with this Madame Medusa's tress tamer? Sounds like just the thing I need.
I don't think so.
You thought so down there. I heard you.
How? Your ears were full of pineapple chunks.
I've just had my hair washed in enough organic food products to stock the school salad bar for a week, so don't mess with me.
Okay. Just look on page 743 of your spell book.
It's magic?
Yeah, which is why Hilda and Zelda don't want you using it. Pathetic. There's a minor rule which you may recall: no using magic at mortal school for personal gain.
Here it is. Tangled and snarly, knotted and gnarly. If great hair is your aim, those wild locks you must tame.
Hey, put that back on.
Are you a supernatural being on the go?
Yes, and yes!
Then Madame Medusa's Tress Tamer is for you, Sabrina. Just follow the easy-to-use instructions. And remember, no water.
Wow, you mean I don't need water?
No, I mean, once you've started using Madame Medusa's, you have to avoid water at all cost. Water will make it stop working forever. You hear me? No water. Not on your head or anywhere. Don't wash. Have you got it?
I got it! Okay, here goes. What's burning? Oh my gosh, it's me!
Ugh. Ow, 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 ow.
Sabrina, you look fabulous!
Why, thank you, Maritza.
I hate to admit it, but Sabrina's hair looks great.
I can't believe you just said that. And I can't believe I agree with you.
Oh.
Sabrina, can I get a picture?
A picture of me, little old me?
Yeah, the yearbook staff just took a vote. You not only win this year's best hair, you win best hair that ever was and ever will be. So why don't the rest of us just give up and shave our heads?
That's it, that's it. Yeah, yeah. More, more. Now less. Good. Great, super. Awesome.
I can't believe this.
Oh! Sabrina, look out!
Gross! Ugh! Thank you, thank you. Wow, I could get used to this. I've never been worshipped for my looks before.
Hi, Brina. Hey! Huh?
Out of my way! Move it! Gotta get away from here! This not washing isn't so bad.
A really big favor. I have to make up the swim test I missed, and I need somebody to be my buddy.
You mean, like, actually get in the pool?
Miss McGrooney will give us late passes to math. Please?
Maritza, I'd like to help, but I just did my hair.
Well, but couldn't you just do it again?
I don't know. I mean, it looks so good now, and...
Oh, just forget it. You know what? As a friend, you stink.
Don't get mad. I could help with a soccer test or bowling.
So this is your secret, huh?
Hey, couldn't you at least shower at night? Your friends won't see your hair, and I'd be able to breathe.
Didn't you hear the guy? Once I start, I can't wash or the tress tamer will stop working. Look, it says so on the bottle. Oh no, it's not in here.
You mean you'll have to stop using it? Oh, darn, what a shame. Uh-oh.
I know I had it after gym class. Ow! Hey. I should have known. Admit it, you stole it.
Phew. Crack a window, will ya?
You just had to have hair like mine, didn't you?
Oh, right. Like I want to look like you. I don't think so.
So what'd you do with it?
You'll see.
You didn't give it to mortals, did you?
So what? What could possibly happen?
Some for you and some for me. It's like I just can't wait to see how fabulous our hair's going to be in like a few seconds. Crunchy. Chewy.
I hope we're not too late.
I still don't see what the big deal is.
Did you read the fine print? Warning, all effects will be the opposite if used by mortals.
The opposite? What does that mean? I'm sorry, but werewolves are so not the opposite of good hair.
Don't tell me, tell Madame Medusa. P.U. This garbage is nasty.
Actually, it smells better than you do.
Thanks. At the mall? Werewolves go shopping?
These aren't ordinary werewolves. They're Tiffany and Margot. Aww, Tiff's been wanting those jeans forever. I hate to waste such a cute top as bait. But anything less choice might not do the trick.
Shh, here comes one.
I really hope that's Tiffany.
Why?
She's got much better taste than Margot. I didn't mean it. You've perfected a look which is uniquely you. Although, I thought that outfit you wore yesterday was pretty rank.
Whoa! Cassandra, help!
If I help you, who's gonna help me?
Ah! Cassandra! Go right!
great, of course.
Yeah, I'm starting to wonder if it's worth it.
And I still think that outfit looked bad.
Go ahead and howl. It won't do you any good. Gee, if I didn't know better, I'd think that sounded like more werewolves.
Sabrina, I probably should have told you.
What now?
Well, I thought it'd be funny if a lot of people showed up at school with hair as good as yours.
And?
Oh. Tiffany and Margot weren't the only ones I gave the tress tamer to.
What? It's times like this I really wish I had my broom.
I thought you might feel that way.
Salem, how'd you find us?
I followed the smell. Girls,
Cassandra, let's go!
No way I'm riding with that hairball.
suit yourself. Enjoy the picnic. Oops, I forgot. You are the picnic.
Wait! Don't leave me! Made it!
Yeah, but we can't leave them like this. They're our friends.
Whoa. Sabrina, what are you doing?
Actually, we're gonna swoop down and get them to chase us.
Are you nuts?
Now where?
The high school! And don't lose them! Thanks, Salem. See you at home. Perfect.
Oh, yeah. I'd much rather be eaten here. Oh. You do have a plan, right?
Yeah.
Just checking.
What are we doing here?
You were all sleepwalking.
We were?
Yeah, must have had something to do with the full moon. Weird, huh?
Huh? Sabrina, your hair!
Yeah, it's a mess. I guess some vain girls would obsess about things like their hair.
Actually, I like it this way. Reminds me of...
Yeah, I know. Your Cocker Spaniel. Thanks.
How sweet.
How'd your swim test go?
I'm doing it tomorrow. Couldn't find a buddy.
I'll be your buddy. If you want me to, that is.
That'd be great! You want to come over? We could finish our homework together.
Nah, I'm heading home. I really want to take a shower. Whew.